Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here. And what I'm going to first do is to wash it, and I'm going to use this Tresemme shampoo which you see right here to wash the hair. And after washing the hair, I'm going to condition it with this Tresemme conditioner and also moisturize it with castor oil and this keratin hair treatment. Afterwards, when the hair is wet, I'm going to start coiling the hair. And I'm going to apply this Vitality 3-in-1 hair therapy. It's a volumizing mousse and it's alcohol free. I'm going to apply it all over the hair in a very generous amount. And after applying this styling mousse all over the hair, I'm going to use my comb to cut the hair in small sections and start coiling the hair using my setting rollers. And the setting rollers I'm using is the old type that typically doesn't have the clips. I'm going to use my rubber band to secure the setting rollers all around the hair after I've wrapped the hair around the bending rollers. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to my channel, please support me by clicking on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So back to the styling process of this hair. I'm applying a very generous amount of that styling mousse all over the entire hair, from the very top of the hair all the way to the tip of the hair, because I want the hair to hold curls very well and I want the curls to be very bouncy. That's the reason why I'm using that styling mousse. And take note, the hair is wet. I just washed the hair and of course I conditioned it, rinsed off the conditioner and all of the deep conditioning treatment before I proceeded with the process of coiling the hair. And the only thing I applied on the hair while the hair was wet to start coiling the hair is just that volumizing mousse I showed you earlier. And what I'm doing right now is using that setting roller to coil the hair. You know the way we used to go to the salon to do washing and setting? This is similar to the process called washing and setting. So I use that styling mousse as my setting lotion, and I use these rollers, the setting rollers, to wrap the hair all around it, and then I use a rubber band to secure the hair on the bending rollers. And after I'm done coiling the entire hair on this wig, I let the hair air dry for a couple of days before I proceed to the next step. But all of this process is something that's very easy, though it's going to require time. So you need to be able to create time for the process of washing your hair, treating your hair, and also restyling your hair. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share this video with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. I have ebooks that I have available on my website: how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. If you haven't purchased my ebooks, please visit my website. The link is going to be in the description box for you to purchase ebooks that are going to be very, very valuable to you. So this is what the hair looks like after I'm done coiling the entire hair, and I'm going to leave it outside here on my balcony to air dry because I want the hair to air dry. And I left it outside there for about 3 days, and after the hair had dried, I'm taking out the curls I'm taking out the setting rollers rather from the hair. So I'm just taking off the rubber band, and then I pull out the rollers and I take the curls to go in the direction I want it to go. For the hairs that are on the right side, I make sure that the curls are going in the left direction, and for the hairs that are on the right side, I make sure the curls are going in the left direction. I'm going to do this until I've taken off all of the setting rollers that is all over the entire hair, and then I proceed to the next step, which is going to be styling this hair. I repeat again, if you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test its quality, they are available for sale on my website for just 7,000 naira. You're going to get a lot of information that's going to help you in starting your hair business in 2024. So if you haven't bought those books, please head over to my website. The link is in the description box for you to purchase these ebooks. And the paperback copies are on Amazon. So if you want to get the paperback, you can buy it on Amazon. The link is also in the description box. What I'm doing right now is styling the closure area on this wig just to ensure that it's flawless, it's beautiful, and it just flows really well with that very bouncy hair we have on the bottom part. So what I applied on the closure area is my styling mousse. You can also spray your heat protectant spray to the hair around the closure area just to prevent any form of heat damage. And I'm using that hot comb to comb through the hair around the closure area while I'm just using my hand to just walk through the hair. And I'm going to flatten the hair around the closure area on both sides of the hair and also on the back side, just so that the hair looks very beautiful and smooth. I have other tutorials on how I revamp my wigs on my YouTube channel. I have a playlist that is for my hair tutorials, and I think I also titled the playlist Hair Business Guide. So all the information that you need to succeed in the hair industry is what I've made available for you. And more in-depth information is even in my ebooks. If you haven't gotten those ebooks, I think you should get them, aside from just consuming all the content that I have that can really help you for styling your hair, for starting your hair business, that are on my YouTube channel. And if you're getting value from this video so far, make sure you smash the like button and share this video with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it. Please subscribe if you're also not yet subscribed. Yes, so back to styling this hair. You notice that I already flattened one side of the hair, and I'm actually working on flattening the other side of the hair right about now. So I'm just taking my time to do this process because I want the hair to look really nice. I'm not trying to scatter the curls that I'd already put in place in this hair. That's the reason why I'm taking my time to do this step very well, so that at the end of the day, what I'm going to have is a very beautiful look. Yes, so you can see how the back of this hair looks. Is looking really nice, but I'm just using that hot comb to comb through the back side of the hair so that it flows effortlessly well and it's flat and smooth. And then if it gets to the sides, when it gets to the sides where the curls start, I just leave the curls to be curled the way I already curled it. But for the hair at the upper part, I ensure that I try to straighten it as much as I possibly can. So guys, I think I'm already wrapping up this video. The hair looks really nice, which I'm going to show you. It looks really nice. It's full, it's fluffy, it's bouncy, it's voluminous, exactly how I wanted it to be. If you got value from watching this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and let me know what other video you want to see on my channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll definitely see you in my next video, which is going to be linked at the end of this video. Please check out my other playlist or my hair tutorials, or even videos I have relating to entrepreneurship, a day in my life. That's typically like a vlog type of videos that I have on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, love.